I ordered some of the Ipsy mystery boxes, and this is the May 2023 mystery glam bag, and it was $14. Don't know what's in it. I haven't looked yet, so we get to open it up and see what's all there. First, we get this. It's cute. It's a little vinyl-y, which is nice. It's pink inside. It's empty, of course, because we've got the stuff in the bag. So there's two things here. Nomad Balmoral Beach sun highlighter. Come on, little highlighter, you can make it out. Oh no, that is very pretty. It's like a peachy. You see right there? That's pretty. Yeah, I'll keep that now. That's in my stash. A blush, Gigi Gorgeous. The only blush authentic. You know when they say stuff like that on the packaging, they really mean it. They don't lie. They can't lie about stuff like that. Gigi Gorgeous. Oh no, that's very pretty too. Okay. It's lighter colored, but that's pretty. 2 for 2 so far. Let's see what's next. We have Urban Therapy Twisted Sista, a 3-minute moisturizing mask. Hydrate, Condition, Restore. So we got one of those, which is good. Today is face mask day. I have a friend visiting, so we're gonna do face masks tonight. So maybe we'll do hair masks too and just make it a masky day. Kate Somerville Retinol and Vitamin C Moisturizer. So that's a little deluxe sample size. And moisturizers are good. And Grown Alchemist. I like their stuff. I haven't had too much. I have an exfoliating face and I have a primer. I love both of them. So yay for Grown Alchemist. I'm definitely keeping this one. What did I say it was? Oh, hand cream. It's a hand cream. So on a whole, was this worth it? We got the bag, $14. This, the highlighter, the blush, the mask, and the moisturizer. Yes. I'm glad I got that one. These are things that I will try and I will use.